Welcome to Sheep Bridge, Arizona. Today we're sharing our family overlanding adventure and the captivating history of this iconic bridge. Setting up camp here was an incredible experience. The views here were simply lovely. We found the perfect spot with panoramic vistas, and it felt like we had a slice of paradise all to ourselves. But Sheep Bridge is more than just a scenic spot. It's a piece of Arizona history. This bridge, seemingly suspended in time, has a story to tell. Originally built in 1943, the Verde River Sheep Bridge, also known as Red Point Sheep Bridge, was the vision of R.O. Raymond, a Flagstaff physician and owner of the Flagstaff Sheep Company. He recognized the need for a reliable way to move his sheep. Before the bridge, ranchers faced significant challenges herding their livestock across the Verde River. The rugged terrain and the river itself made this a dangerous and time-consuming task. The bridge, engineered by, if I say this right, Cyril O. Gilliam, sorry if I messed that up, became a lifeline, connecting grazing ranges and transforming ranching practice to the Bloody Basin. The bridge served the ranching community for many years, playing a crucial role in the local economy. It's a testament to the ingenuity and hard work of the people who built and used it. The original suspension bridge was demolished in 1987, making the end of an era. However, recognizing its historical value, a new bridge was constructed in 1989, ensuring that the legacy of Sheep Bridge would continue. Today, it's a popular destination. Efforts continue to preserve this piece of Arizona's past, ensuring that future generations can appreciate its significance. As we take in these breathtaking views, it's easy to see why Sheep Bridge and the entire area holds such a special place in Arizona's heart. The combination of rugged natural beauty and rich history is truly captivating. This landscape reminds us of the importance of preserving these spaces for future generations. This area also holds a hidden gem, a natural hot spring, a popular spot for those seeking relaxation and further connection with nature. The hot spring adds another layer of allure to this already fascinating destination. As our adventure came to a close, we packed up our camp and prepared to begin our journey back. We took one last look at our amazing campsite before heading out. The drive out offers stunning vistas, and we're grateful for the opportunity to experience this unique landscape and create lasting memories. Sheep Bridge is more than just a bridge. It's a symbol of resilience, ingenuity, and the enduring spirit of the West. It represents a time when communities relied on the vital connections, and it continues to inspire awe and wonder today. Thank you for joining us on this aerial journey. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into our family's overlanding adventure and the history of Sheep's Bridge. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And tell me, have you ever explored Bloody Basin Road or visited Sheep's Bridge? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.